got an array here on line 15, numbers 1 to 10. We're trying to print them out to the screen of the console, but we'll do it to the screen. Okay, cool. So the way you render something in React is do some curly braces, and then you're going to do my array dot map, and in here you are going to do something like a array item. Okay, so we'll call this variable an array item. I'll explain this as we go. So that is the basic principle for how you map through something. Okay, cool. An array item dot map returns a new array. Okay, first of all. And then an array item is basically like, you know, the standard for loop here. So you do like for const x in my array, and then you would do like Console.log here, and you print out x, right? So that still works. The x is the iterator. If you're not familiar with this, maybe you're more familiar with like var x, and then x is less than my array dot length x plus plus. That's like the really old school one. So basically what you're doing is you're creating an iterator here. Dot map lets you do that just in one line, in one word variable naming. So yeah, that's what array item is. It's basically that x, right? So it'll loop through all of them. And now all we do here is we return something, and then we return we're going to return a div, and it's not going to close it for me because that's what it's like. Okay, cool. And in here, all we're going to do is put in array item. Nice, cool. I hope the keyboard's not too loud. If you see over on the right, we have a little error which says, if I can zoom in on that for you, each child in a list should have a unique key prop. And then just a bit too much information there. Cool. So what does that mean? So a key prop is basically, first of all, I'll show you how to add it in. So you create like a little index here, and then you do key equals index. There we go. Cool. So what is a key? So say you wanted to remove number 7 from this list, right? And it's like a to-do list, and these are all like you know, like shopping items or whatever, right? So this number 7 is you go get the milk, right? But you've picked up the milk, you put it in your cart, and you want to remove that from the list. How would React know? No. That's basically what the key does, right? It's basically like in normal JavaScript, you'd have like an ID. They still have this in JavaScript, but for maps specifically, you need a key prop. I hope that explains 99% of all your use cases for using the .map prototype.